tater chicken. Cluck and oink. Cluck and oink. Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And I have my hunk of burnin' love with me. And today we are gonna make you an easy, it seems like this is all we do, is make easy casseroles when you're with me. No, nothing crazy.
Yeah, we're not gonna get
normal, just
weird.
Right, normal, easy suppers.
Blue collar food.
Blue collar food. All right, blue collar. This will be a blue collar chicken bacon ranch tater tot casserole. I'll try to come up with a better name than that.
Sonic tater tot.
All right. So you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and I think we should spray this pan. So let's
You like the color of it now?
I think we should put some of these. I went ahead and grated up some cheese. I have about 1.5 cups of cheese here, and you're going to do
This stuff?
rotisserie shredded chicken. We have about 1 pound of chicken. You don't have to use this much. You can use about 2 cups, but I'm going to go ahead and just use this whole thing.
This stuff's potent.
It is. All right. This shirt looks a little tight, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it?
No.
To your chicken, we're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And now we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. 1 package of ranch, and I'm going to use Kinder's.
The best.
Ranch seasoning. Ranch dry seasoning. Right in there.
Oh, that smells so good.
Now, normally we would use more bacon, but we only have just a little bit left. So I'm going to tell you to use about 1 pound of crumbled up bacon. That's not even close, but that's all we have left.
That's an emergency.
Sorry. But use more. And now we're going to do about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese.
I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight knowing we're out of bacon. Is this stirred up to your
Yes, it is.
likings?
It is. Dump your tater tots right in the bottom of this pan. Okay, that ought to do it.
Oh, there's room for
There's room for a couple more.
a couple more.
All right, and now you're going to put this mixture right over the top of your tater tots. This is so easy, quick and easy,
That's what we like.
fast supper. So we're going to spread this out. We're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to chow down.
Oh, it's good.
It does look good. I'm ready to try it. Get your tater tots from the bottom. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That looks really good. So easy. You can always zhuzh this up for sure with, oh, you need salt and pepper.
Onions?
Go for it. Yeah, some green onions or anything like
Rotel?
yeah. Rotel, yeah, sure. Oh, cheers. That's very hot.
Oh,
It's
that is good.
Steaming hot.
Oh, that is good.
That is very tasty.
That is awesome and easy.
Easy, super easy supper. Super easy supper. So
If
good.
you don't make this, you're missing out.
So good. I think the kids will love this. So if you need an easy supper idea, here you go.
There you go.
Good stuff. So come and see us right here at Local Flavor here in Branson, Missouri, and ask for us. Ask for us. I'll be here. You might be
I may
here.
be here.
You may be
if you're
here.
lucky. No.
Anyway, have a fantastic day, and we will see you.
I'm going to eat some more of this. This is good.